Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change ringtone in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change a ringtone to another one, we have to first go to settings. Now we are looking for sounds and vibration. It's at the top of the list. Sounds and vibration. So let's go here, and here we have ringtone. By default is Galaxy Bells. Let's change this to something other. And we simply back out. No need to save, and our ringtone is now changed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like and subscribe, and have a nice day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.